Hi, I'm gonna show you how you can change the battery on your iPhone by yourself. It's really easy. First, you have to turn the device off, obviously, and then you need to remove the two tiny screws at the bottom of your phone. Unscrew them and take them out. Now you're ready to open the phone. Use a suction cup and plastic opening tools and open that bad boy up. And then you'll need to unscrew the bracket to remove the cable from the battery and just unplug the battery. This is the first step you do. Then you unscrew and remove the second bracket, revealing front assembly cables. Remove them, unplug them, remove the front assembly panel, put it aside because now the battle begins. What you're gonna have to do is heat up your phone a little bit because the battery is attached to the back case with adhesive and it's really difficult to remove. Try not puncturing it or bending it too much because it will damage it and then your battery will explode or just heat up really badly. It happened to me before because I am a fool, so learn it from me and don't do it. Luckily, no damage to the phone occurred because I was able to remove it fast enough. But be careful, that's what I'm trying to say. Be careful while removing the battery. Once you do that, go ahead and put some adhesive back in the case so you can attach the battery and it won't move around your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and reassemble your phone the same way you did disassembling it. And if you've done it correctly, everything should be working perfectly. So good job, person. And thank you for watching my video. Bye! Good luck. Also, if you're gonna do this for reals. Good luck!